Hey there and welcome. If you're new to Smartsheet or just looking to organize your projects in a clearer, more visual way, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through how to get started with Smartsheet's timeline, also known as Gantt view. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set it up so you and your team can see your entire project spelled out right on a timeline, making everything easier to track, communicate, and manage. Let's dive right in. First things first, go ahead and open up Smartsheet in your browser. If you don't have a project sheet started yet, just create a new one. You'll see that by default, Smartsheet looks a lot like a regular spreadsheet with rows and columns. Think of it as the bare-bones setup for all your project data. Now, to prepare for Timeline View, you'll need to add two crucial columns, a start date and an end date. This is super important because the timeline depends on these two bits of information to know where to display each task. Without dates, Smartsheet can't show your project visually. It doesn't know when anything starts or finishes. So click to add a new column, give it a clear name like Start Date, and make sure you change its column type to Date. Do the same for a second column, calling it End Date. If you skip this or accidentally leave these as plain text, Smartsheet won't be able to map your tasks on the timeline, so double check that these columns are date formatted. It's a simple setup step, but it's absolutely foundational for the rest of the process. Now let's talk about why you'd want to use Timeline or Gantt view in the first place. The big win here is that instead of seeing your project as just a long list of tasks in rows, which can get overwhelming, you get a clear visual map of your project's schedule over time. Imagine you're looking at a construction project or launching a new product. Rather than puzzling over dates in columns, you instantly see colored bars stretching across a calendar, showing you what's happening when. It's a bit like turning a to-do list into a road map. One of the coolest things Timeline View does is help you track dependencies. Let's say task B can't start until task A is finished. In Timeline View, you can connect these tasks. If task A gets delayed, task B adjusts automatically. It's like having dominoes set up, move one and the rest follow. This saves you from having to manually update date after date if your plans change. Another huge benefit is spotting conflicts or overlaps. If two tasks or even two team members are scheduled to do things at the same time, you'll see it immediately as overlapping bars on the timeline. This visual cue makes it really easy to spot potential bottlenecks or risks to your deadlines before they cause problems down the line. The timeline is also fantastic for managing resources and priorities. Smartsheet allows you to create parent and child tasks, so big milestones can be broken down into smaller, more manageable pieces. You can, for example, have a main marketing campaign task, and underneath it, child tasks for designing graphics, writing content, and scheduling posts. Grouping these visually helps keep everyone on the same page. Finally, Timeline View shines when it's time to share progress with stakeholders, whether it's your manager or a client. Let's be honest, not everyone loves spreadsheets. But timelines are universally easy to understand. Showing a project's progress as a timeline is a lot easier to digest and can help you communicate status updates quickly and clearly. So that's the quick start guide to getting your project into Smartsheet's Timeline View. With those date columns added, you're only a few clicks away from seeing your project laid out visually and being able to manage it like a pro. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video. And if you have any questions or run into any bumps as you get set up, drop a comment below. I check them and love to help. And make sure to subscribe for more simple, straight-to-the-point tutorials like this. Thanks for watching and good luck with your next project in Smartsheet.